by. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today we are going to be starting on my new, I guess you could say a new series on this channel, and that's basically going to be my fall decor series. Today we're going to start in the dining room, and we're going to just do my fall tablescape. So I'm really excited, and let's not keep on doing a whole bunch of hoopla talking. Let's just get right to it. Hey everyone, so I am starting off just by wiping off some of the little dust pieces that fell off as I was cleaning off the table. I'm adding these two pumpkins that I believe I got from Target a couple of years ago. I cannot remember, but I do believe I got these from Target and they were in the $5 spot. So I'm adding these, and I want you guys to see how realistic it is when you're doing a fall tablescape or just decorating your home, period. It takes a lot to it's a lot of trial and error, and you're gonna see a lot of trial and error in this video. This piece I got from Michael's, and I am trying to see how it works with eucalyptus. Technically I could have made it work, but as I was doing it, I didn't like it. It just didn't look right to me. I wasn't feeling it, and I ended up, you'll see later on in the video, removing the eucalyptus. As you guys can see, this was not working for me, and the more I tried, the more it didn't work. I like the way the colors look, and I like the leaf look with this garland, but I decided to go ahead on and break it apart and just stick the leaves in separately. all to know that it really takes time and patience to put a tablescape together. You know, I used to just kind of throw stuff together and be like, it is what it is. It works because I wanted something. But now I know exactly what I want. I know what I'm looking for. When I go to the store, now I kind of just pick up what I think I would like and I put that in my cart. I know that's bad, and I'm getting to the point where I'm trying to learn to go and look for items in particular that I would like. And so that's what I'm working on for future reference, because I did come home with a lot of picks that I was trying to find a place for, and only probably about 5 or 6 of them I didn't use, which isn't bad, but most of all of them that I picked up in my last haul for Hobby Lobby, I used them. So kudos to me for that. Yes, I'm patting myself on the back. I am putting down my table place settings, and then I'm gonna move on to my foyer real quick. So here in my foyer, I was just going ahead and seeing if I could just put some picks in here. This is something that I do decorate for every season, and as you can see, again, I'm trying to force something to go that didn't go, and I end up changing it out in the end as well. What the table is looking like. I switched it out. As you all know, I used these instead of the glass pieces that I had. These pieces I've had for years. I don't remember where I got them from, but I think, you know what, I believe I got them from Pier 1, and it was years ago, and it just looks so much more better with those two pieces versus the glass. And then of course, all 3 of these pieces right here, everything came from Hobby Lobby. All of this came from Hobby Lobby. And then this is a mixture of Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, and wherever else I was at. So that is it. I just wanted to show you all the table. I do have some pieces on the floor here that I'm going to go ahead and put up. And that's it. I hope you all enjoy.